My people, I don't come again with another news update. But before I go on with what I want to say, do well to follow me for my Facebook and YouTube for more updates, because as I dey, my own job is to be giving you the update as e dey hot. Currently, what is going on in Rivers State now is very, very boiling. Like, I see this thing, I was like, politics, is it do or die affair? Look at what is, you need to watch this video and see what is going on in Rivers State currently. Even police, there's a pour tear gas for main road. Even what, no, I don't need to talk too much. Just watch the video and don't forget to share this video. Thank you for watching.
We are going to the governor. They are pouring couple of water. They are pouring the couple of water. They are attacking the governor of Rivers State. Governor of Rivers State under attack. Yes, the governor of Rivers State under attack. Nothing was happening to our governor. We stand. We stand. We stand. What was happened to Steve? What was happened to our governor?
Colleagues, by the voting, those that voted in favor of the removal of Edison Ehi as the majority leader of this House, 23, abstention nil, against nil. By that result, Edison Ehi is now removed as the majority leader of the Rivers State House of Assembly in line with our standing orders.